Hi there, my name is William for WilliamWesley.com, and thank you so much for visiting on my YouTube channel as Wally Rice and my Facebook and my Twitter account.com. And I got some very, bad news. My wash machine is, broken, and it keeps, draining the water, and I haven't been very last couple hours. And I got this same Samsung wash machine. I had it for about 3 years, but this wash machine is falling apart. Then the same the 4K. Now my washer is simply broke. So I need to go to the laundromat. After work tomorrow. So, according to the wash machine, as you see, we got a new dryer, 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 dryer. You see how washing is washing good? That means it's not working. I gotta taste them out on washing as soon as to get to 56. So according to the on the wash machine, what's up this camera? There we go. You're supposed to unplug it and shut it off for about 10 seconds. The Intel power supply then is harder to reset it. My 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 camera is frozen. The Chinese I plugged it and then this small wash machine is stopped working. So what we need to do is just shut off the wash machine, turn off. So here we go. Let's go ahead and unplug it for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there you go, guys. And that is a 10 seconds now. If I plug it back in and turn it on, and make sure the wash machine is set to 103, and then we hit the start button. You see how the water and it's draining the pipe, and what a walk, and you want that drain. The wash machine has a drain hose there, so it's powered on, guys. The same thing. So, guys, see, I've got a bigger problem, and I'm going to after work tomorrow. I got to take those clean out clothes and towels and wash machine. I will washing and take it to the laundromat tomorrow. But it the same happens to you. I hopefully the wash machine has a problem, and you see how it's washing right now. It's washing not very good. And it started when I started, and then he use it for today. So I go get the clothes out. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my tablet. He's washing. Now, I had this Samsung wash machine, wash machine, wash machine, and I couldn't. It stopped working. I saw. I got to wait till the code comes out. This sort of thing. So, if you do like the comment, and please put it down the comments down below, because I never seen that it's washing good already. But if you know it's having issue with the wash machine, that means the wash machine is broke. It's going to the junkyard soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this being tour. And then I did the I gotta go to laundromat. I mean tomorrow. Tomorrow's is closed when tell me it's colder. I don't think. Please give me a thumbs up. What's up? It's camera. Camera. There we go. If getting wash machine. Take care. Bye now.